Good morning, everybody. Tito Jeff here. It's Wednesday morning, 6:35. Get ready to cook some breakfast. First, let me get a pot of tea going. Drink ginger tea in the mornings. I'm going to turn on my gas. Get that going. I'm going to have hot dogs and eggs. And the dogs are frozen. And if you can see that, each hot dog is individually wrapped in plastic. That's the way it comes in the Philippines. So you just take a knife, bring it down the edge. Peel the hot dog. That's a messy job there. See if this one goes better. Not much. Pretty cool here in the morning. Don't need any air con this time of day. Feels really nice. Check that one. Double check that one to make sure I got it. Yeah. This one. Okay, so I run some water over that one, loosen it up. Now I just peel it off. Pull it off. There we go. Don't have to cut it. Alright, so I got my hot dogs ready. I'm going to score these. That's the way Marcel likes it. It heats a frozen hot dog up a little faster if you score the hot dog. They love hot dogs here in the Philippines. They put them in their spaghetti. But when you go to the grocery store, you can't find hot dog buns. Hamburger buns, but no hot dog buns. So, should I cook the eggs first or the hot dogs? Let's cook the eggs first. We buy our eggs by the tray at the Mercado. We still got poop on them. So they're coming fresh from the farm. We don't bother putting them in the refrigerator. And I've always put eggs in the refrigerator all my life. But I like this way better. They're much easier to handle. 2 eggs each. The kettle is ready. I've got ginger in here that I used yesterday. I can get 2 cups out of that ginger. So we'll just keep that, pour the water in there. Turn that burner off. Let that sit while I cook. Fork. And pick these eggs up. Put a little oil in there. Got a tablespoon of oil. And just a little bit of salt in these eggs. Turn that burner down. And let's get that spatula. Ready? And my spatula ready. Let's quick these eggs fast. Got a bowl in the sink. Get my plate ready. I'm ready for the hot dogs. Add a little oil. Three hot dogs. Wipe down the counter. Okay, we got some cane sugar here. Made locally. Lots of sugar cane here in the Philippines. We'll put a little sugar in there and calamansi. Put some lemon in there. We'll just cut a little slice in that. A little slice. Slice. Squeeze. A little lemon juice in there. And there you have a cup of ginger tea. Delicious and nutritious. Our nice new cooking range. And here is the lovely Maricel. She's getting out the bread. Uh-oh. Maricel?
Yes.
Did you want to drink water? Juice?
Oi.
Wait. So Maricel is going to drink some Nestle's Chucky, my chocolate buddy. She loves chocolate milk.
No coffee.
No coffee. We ran out of coffee. So we got to go to the grocery store today. You want? Two hot dogs for Maricel. One for Jeff. More you love? Okay. 2 eggs each.
That's
I
enough.
didn't put any salt. You want salt?
No.
Give my salt for Jeff. Rice? No rice?
No.
No? What? No rice? Take her temperature. Filipina says she doesn't want rice. Something's wrong. Oh my goodness. I need a little something sweet. So in the refrigerator, I keep my snack. Pineapple. So they grow pineapple here in Ormoc City, and you can buy one, and they'll cut it up for you into kind of a spiral shape, and you can just eat it like corn on the cob. And so I just keep one in the fridge, and every once in a while I take a bite. Operate as a team here. I cook. Marcel cleans up. Marcel cooks. I clean up. Also got a little project going here. I bought some seeds at the Wilcon. I got some chili peppers here. And I got another pepper. It's called panigang pepper. And the instructions say to let those soak in water 4 to 6 hours, and then I'll plant the seeds. So we got our TV mounted yesterday. Got it on the wall here on a swivel mount. You can't see the mount. And, so the cord goes down that way. You got to try to hide that. But I'll see if I can show you the mount. You can see the swivel. It's got a little arm articulated so we can move it. And it's got a Wi-Fi. We hooked it up to the Wi-Fi and watched the movie on YouTube last night. And we got cable coming. Ormoc City Cable, $37 a month for internet and cable, with over 100 channels on the cable. So, and I don't know how many of them I'm going to be able to watch. Most of them will probably be in Tagalog or Chinese or Korean, something like that. I don't know. We'll see.